Welcome to Journey into Food World. Today, we're focusing on an important topic, mental health awareness. Taking care of our mental well-being is just as crucial as caring for our physical health. In this video, we'll share 10 practical tips and tricks to help you nurture your mental health. Let's get started. First, prioritize self-care. Make time for activities that you enjoy and that relax you, whether it's reading a book, taking a bath, or going for a walk. Self-care is essential for recharging your mind and body. Second, stay connected with loved ones. Maintaining relationships with friends and family can provide emotional support and a sense of belonging. Make an effort to reach out regularly, whether through a phone call, text, or in-person visit. Third, practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness techniques, such as deep breathing and meditation, can help reduce stress and improve your overall mental clarity. Even just a few minutes a day can make a significant difference in your mood. Fourth, get moving. Regular physical activity is a powerful tool for enhancing mental health. Exercise releases endorphins, which can boost your mood and reduce feelings of anxiety. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, jogging, or yoga, and aim to incorporate it into your routine. Fifth, maintain a balanced diet. What you eat can affect your mood and energy levels. Focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish and nuts, are particularly beneficial for brain health. Sixth, establish a routine. Having a daily routine can provide structure and a sense of normalcy, especially during challenging times. Try to set regular times for waking up, working, eating, and relaxing to help create a balanced day. Seventh, limit screen time and social media. While technology can help us stay connected, excessive screen time can lead to feelings of isolation and anxiety. Set boundaries for your device usage and take breaks from social media to focus on real-life interactions. Eighth, journal your thoughts. Writing down your feelings and experiences can be a therapeutic way to process emotions. Consider keeping a journal to reflect on your day, express gratitude, or explore any challenges you're facing. Ninth, don't hesitate to seek help. If you're feeling overwhelmed or struggling with your mental health, it's important to reach out for support. Talking to a mental health professional can provide valuable guidance and coping strategies. Finally, practice gratitude. Taking time each day to acknowledge the positive aspects of your life can shift your mindset and improve your overall outlook. Consider keeping a gratitude journal or simply reflecting on what you're thankful for each day. And there you have it, 10 tips and tricks to help you prioritize your mental health. Remember, taking care of your mental well-being is a journey, and it's okay to ask for help along the way. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Journey into Food World for more insights on health and wellness.